Hey guys, my name is Divya. I am a doctor and I've been in a management role with a healthcare company for a while. I've been doing a series of videos on my channel to help everybody out in the community get certified with certain management certifications that they're taking. So I really hope that these videos are helping you. If they are, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. It would really keep me motivated to make more and more videos. Okay guys, so today's video is dedicated to the SHRM folks, especially for the ones taking the exam in the winter session, the winter testing session, which ends on 15th of February. We don't have that many days left, but then I think this last mile is really important. So guys, today I wanted to answer a few comments and questions that I have been receiving, and all of them pan in the same area. It sort of is the same question really, and the question is, am I ready for the SHRM exam? That's what people are asking me directly or indirectly and in different ways. So what people have been doing is sending me their scores on the practice exam, on the quizzes, saying I got a 60%, I got a 70%, do you think I'm ready for the exam? Or they say I took the practice mock exam on the learning management system and I didn't score 200, and am I ready for the exam? What do you think? Should I still take the exam? Should I not? So guys, I know it's really difficult, but the truth is that these scores don't matter. I know it's difficult to think of a mock exam that way because we all want to get the highest score possible so that it gives us the confidence for the actual exam. But at the end of the day, it doesn't matter. You made all your mistakes on the practice exam, the post-tests, the initial assessments. Learn from those mistakes. That's the reason the practice exams, those mock exams, were made in the first place. So even if you scored a 60% or a 65%, who really cares? Nobody is going to go back and look as long as you learn from every single question. I've said this in many videos before, that you need to review all your right answers and all your wrong answers when you're taking a mock. Remember, that's the only way that is going to reinforce all the learning that you've done with whatever resource you've used. So this is really my sincere suggestion. Don't expect a percentage. Nobody really knows what the passing score on the SHRM is. Yes, we know you need a 200. Nobody knows what that means. Nobody knows how that's calculated. So don't dig deeper. Just learn from your mistakes and learn from your right answers and move on. I know it's the hardest thing to do, especially towards the end, but I've seen so many people who get overconfident, who score well on a mock exam, get overconfident and don't pass. So the other way around of not doing well on a mock or a post-test or an initial assessment is perfectly fine, because hey, you would actually learn, you'd make the effort and then go take the exam. So here are my 2 cents on this. I have shared my own scores on all the practice and mock exams in many videos before, and I will leave a little box here with all my scores so that you guys know exactly what I scored and how it panned out. Once again, I hope these videos are helping you. Thank you so much for watching.